Thank you. And now we'd like to welcome the Prime Minister of Haiti, Monsieur Laurent Lamothe.
Thank you very much. I want to thank Ambassador Sean Penn for coming with me from Haiti today. It's a great pleasure to have traveled with you, and we appreciate so much what you do for our country. The ministers that are here, President Moreno, thank you very much for the support that you're giving to Haiti, and of course, Ambassador DKNY. Thank you. The ambassador of Haiti in Washington, D.C., that's doing a great job. That's re-energizing Haiti's diplomacy. Thank you. Minister Mario Dupuis, Culture Minister, and all the ministers present today. I think today symbolizes hope for a better Haiti. It symbolizes everything that we have that's good. And the people that are coming to support us, I want to thank you. And I want to invite you to come and visit Haiti. Those of you who haven't been, things are improving, things are getting better. There's a new leadership, there's a new energy. Things are moving in the right direction. I want to thank the IDB, the World Bank, all the partners that are there to work with us. And really, when I look at the people around in this room, I see genuine friends, people that care. I see the women here that are helping us. We're going to set up a fund like I promised you, we'll do it. And we have the money already, so we're setting it up. And I invite you to come down to my office so we can finalize, put the final touch in there. And finally, Haiti's culture. Our culture is vibrant. Our culture is everything good that we have to promote. And I want to congratulate all the artists, the artisans that made everything that we're seeing today. Congratulations to you for the hard work, for the dedication that you put into promoting not only your culture, but your country. Finally, I want to tell you that Haiti is doing better. The new leadership is making the most effort, I think, ever. We work 20-hour days, day and night, to try to make this country go in where it should go, which is be an emergent country in 2030. This is what we promised at the Parliament. This is what we're working on every day. And I want to take the opportunity to congratulate a very special Haitian. Somebody that single-handedly, when some turmoil was happening, he moved over 250,000 people from under the tents. Somebody that cares deeply about the Haitian people. Somebody that single-handedly worked with all the donors to create a model program called 16-6. And that person is Patrick Gouzier. Where are you, Patrick? Where is Patrick?
Here, on the right.
Patrick. I just want a round of applause for this great person that goes unnoticed. Many people don't know who he is, but all he does is work to give a voice to the voiceless, to give hope to those who have lost it all, to give a roof to people living in the tents. 91% of people living in Chiang-Mai are now living under a roof. And that's thanks to the program built by this man right here. Congratulations. And finally, I don't want to take too much time. We have good news coming for the Haitian Americans, which I will let the president announce it in due time, but we have good news that's very close to coming. Thank you very much, and enjoy your life.
Thank you all for your presence, and you're invited to join us now for a band d'honneur in the atrium. Thank you.